Chef here. Hungarian firm feta cheese made with goat milk. Cheese knife. Oh yeah. That is a nice slice of feta cheese right there. One more. And just a tasting right here. Paper thin. Yeah. See, you use the right tools and you get the right results. And right there, that's what I'm looking for. Look at that feta. You can almost see through this stuff here. Wow. Get the good stuff at the sponsor. Follow along as I create some recipes here. I wanted to mention this is edge grain maple. The strips of wood run left to right. It's very functional, very nice. This is end grain maple. The pieces of wood are turned in little squares. We also call this checkerboard look. And it maintains it, repels moisture and water. So that's it. These products are in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.